Hello everyone. So I welcome you to my YouTube channel. We have come up with another easiest way to earn money through this CPA lead that I gave you. Also, my YouTube channel is still a new channel, so I don't show videos to a large group of people. But I am showing a big change with this channel. Also watch the video properly and you will be the first to do this work. So be sure to leave a like and a comment. If you like this video, send it to your friends. Subscribe and keep the bell button open. Then you can get a great video notification like this one. So I taught to earn money through CPALEAD. Also taught some tricks. Definitely watch that video. I show it live without lying like other channels, and also show how I earned money and took money in my hands. Today we are talking about how to make money quickly through CPALEAD Content Locker. So we need to make a locker with a few small steps. So how do we do that? First of all, touch all tools on the left-hand side. Now the link lockers I made are shown here, and it shows the amount of money I earned from them as well as the amount of clicks. You can watch more here. Create an offer wall, create a website locker, create a super link, create a link locker 4 parts. I will give videos about all these one by one, so stay subscribed. Now I click on link locker here. Now here we have to make some small settings. First let's give a name to the locker. I will add something like this. That's why I make it as it is. Next, let's write here to make the offer. Now here is the most valuable part. I will put my YouTube link in this link. After that he makes an offer. You can add any link to this. You can put anything like YouTube, Facebook, group, profile link. Now give the information like this for the rest and save. Now you can take care of the locker you made. Okay. Now there is a place called Get Code that can be checked in the offer we made. Click on it. When you click on it, you will get a link. Copy this link and send it to your friends. Then CPALEAD will show offers based on the country of that friend and the device on which that friend opens your link. So not a single offer is being shown to my country at this moment. You do this way. After making that offer and verifying it, the link we hid will be opened. Then the work we did will be right. That way you can earn as much money as you want. I will bring forward the way of earning money from others. I hope you understand this. Comment if there is a problem. Then I will bring a new video in another day. Good day.